Alright, here we are at CarVana. I'm getting ready to get my car out. Bought a car here. It's up on the rack. I'm gonna put the coin in there. It's gonna bring it out. Something's gonna happen. Oh, there it goes. Oh wow. Let me get over here a little more. Alright, here it is. It's about to pick up the car. It's like a pallet forklift, or an elevator forklift. Hear all the sound effects? What a beautiful car.
I don't see any dings in it or anything.
Man, it's nice and polished up, ready to go.
Yeah, it is.
I love the little circle show here that's doing.
Yeah. Oh, now you gotta get your codes to the doors too. Or you have to set that some way maybe.
Extravagant life begins in this thing.
There must be doors right there.
Boom. Ready for liftoff.